What up, guys? So boy here once again, classic FOREX people. You know how we do it. We simplify, decomplicate. All right. So on today's daily push analysis, we are working on Usdcad. So Usdcad, we're going to begin the analysis on a 3 months time frame. Break it all the way down to 4 time frame before we locate entry. So let's start. So on a 3 months time frame, we have the upper zone, the mid-range zone, and then the lower zone. What exactly is going on over here on a 3 months? Let's find out. So if you look at a 3 months time frame, anytime price reaches this resistance level, it sees sell pressure to the downside. Second touch, sell pressure. Third touch, are we going to see the exact same sell pressure to the downside? Yes. Why do I think that sellers will be able to move the market from here to the downside? The answer is very simple. Now look at this. We have what? Historical data here telling us the same thing, that price will eventually drop all the way down. Number 2 is that we are also seeing what? An evening star candle confirmation, which is forming around here to bring the market all the way to the downside. So this evening star candle confirmation is also indicating that there's a lot of sellers around this resistance level that is potentially pushing the market all the way back down to its support level. So we now understand on a 3 months time frame that sellers are in control. They are pushing the market all the way down here. But how do we locate entries from here to the downside? That's going to be the next thing that we're going to look out for. So let's go all the way to the monthly time frame and then continue with the flow of the analysis. Alright, so this is the monthly time frame of Usdcad. Now Usdcad on the monthly time, we are also going to take our time and explain the monthly, know how price will eventually be dropping all the way down and how we can hop in and ride to the downside. So Usdcad on the monthly time frame, we also have the monthly upper, the mid-range, and then the lower zone. If you look very closely, you can see that what this sell pressure on this 3 months resistance level was so strong that when it came all the way down and reached this support level of the monthly, we didn't even see buy pressure, but only what? A sell pressure which was able to break below this to the downside. So this break to the downside below this support level of the monthly tells us that sellers are very strong and they are continuously pushing the market all the way down. So according to the monthly structure, price is dropping all the way down to this support level as lower low before you may see lower high, and then the cycle continues to the downside on Usdcad. So Usdcad, we are expecting price to move further down to create a lower low, and that lower low that price is about to create is what we are going to capitalize on our next entry on this space. So Usdcad, we also understand the monthly, that price is coming down here. So let's go and look for what opportunities to sell all the way down. But before that, let's take it again to weekly time frame and also break down the weekly. Alright, so this is also the weekly time frame of Usdcad. Now Usdcad on the weekly, what exactly is happening around here on the weekly? If you look very close at the weekly time frame, we also have our weekly mid-range, which is a very strong level of what? Sensitivity. Now according to weekly structure, price is giving us what? A downtrend. Why? Because this is a lower low, this is also a lower high, another lower low here, then another lower high. Where should price goodness continue the move all the way to the downside? So this downtrend on the weekly time frame is also assuring us that price is indeed dropping to the downside. So everything has been well explained from the 3 months all the way down to weekly, and I will now understand what price is indeed dropping all the way to the downside. But that's not all. How can we locate entries at the weekly resistance level here to sell all the way down on Usdcad? Let's find out as we take it again to the daily time frame for more understanding. Alright, so this is also the daily time frame of Usdcad. Now Usdcad in the daily time frame, let's also put a very beautiful meaning into it. We have the daily mid-range zone also over here. On the daily time, what do we see? We see a downtrend. Why? Because price gave us a push to the downside and exhaustion to the upside, another lower low, another lower high. Where do we go next? We move continuously to the downside. So the daily is also assuring us that what? Price is definitely going to see more sell pressure here at the daily lower high to continuously sell all the way down. In addition, we are also spotting this bearish pin bar, all indicating how there's more sellers around that area to push the market to the downside on Usdcad. So Usdcad, we're expecting more sales from here to drop the market all the way down. How do we pick the sell? Let me take it again quickly to the 4 time frame and then we can continue with the analysis. Alright, so this is the 4 time frame of Usdcad. Now Usdcad on the 4 time frame, this is our final time frame and our final area for the entry. Let's explain the 4. If you look at the 4 time very well, you realize that what price was initially in an uptrend, but it's now moving in a downtrend, supporting the overall direction to the downside. Look at this. So this is what a very beautiful uptrend that has become a downtrend. So you saw what higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Buyers couldn't push the market up again. Instead, sellers came in and they broke in below. So here I'm expecting lower low, lower high, entry confirmation, and then go all the way to the downside. So you can clearly see the what price about forming what a head and shoulder formation over here, which will give us what our entry confirmation, and then you hop in and ride it all the way to the downside. So USD price is definitely going all the way up here to create for a lower high. After lower high, candle confirmation, be it a bearish or engulfing candle, a significant pin bar or evening star, just around somewhere here, and then we pick our entry all the way to the downside. TP1 will be at the next one daily support level. TP2 will also be here. Once we hit TP1, what do? We move stop loss to entry, go to reach our final target. So USD CAD, this is the full and complete technical analysis for today. If you love what I'm doing over here, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and then don't forget to join my free signals group. The link is in the description below. And you're also looking for the best course in the game to also learn from. My course is also ready and available to you as well. Just message me by picking my contact in the description as well. Thank you for joining in. Remember to stay classy and treat classy, guys. Peace. I'm out.